Welcome back, warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscape Life Stories. We're going to work on some ladder tips and safeties and just the main things that can cause you to come down off that ladder if you're not paying attention. And we'll start off with this little situation that I had when I was nice and high. And I did notice it when I was on the 50-foot man lift from the last vine video. So let me show you what's up. Yep. There were some nice sized hornets up in here, right where I was at. So we're gonna get rid of them. Boom. So there's the culprit up there in the corner. It's got the nice big hornets in it. So I gotta spray that. And no, not that little wasp nest. It's right there, it's brown in the corner. Alright, so the hornets got sprayed, cleaned off the vines from the spray because it's not really good to have that toxic chemical on vegetation. It'll burn it up real quick, especially in the sunlight. And number two reasons you can come off a ladder, besides being swarmed by hornets, is you didn't eat and you pass out. For whatever reason, you pass out. You get lightheaded and you didn't listen to yourself and come down, or it just happens. Yeah, unfortunately, my grandfather had to happen to him when he was trimming trees and came off the ladder, broke his neck, and was in a wheelchair for 15 years. So, guys, everything needs to be paid attention to out here. It really is a game of life and death if you're not paying attention. The last video I just put out was about saving time over your life. I'd rather save my life and take as much time as I need to get everything accomplished. Yes, sir. Windows cleaned up. Got one section here and right there. So it's finished up. I gotta come back tomorrow or Monday next week, get up on the balcony and just trim a little bit where I couldn't reach. Easier to go inside the house with a step ladder and a smaller one. Go up there and hit that very top spot right there. The rest of it's taken care of. Come with me. We're not done with the video yet. Let's go. So look, my last little thing about the ladders. Today they have modern ladders that have adjustable feet on the end of them. If you're out here doing this for a profession, you're doing it often, I highly recommend you get the adjustable feet, which means they can adjust to the terrain without using rocks and blocks to level off the feet of the ladder. Look into it, and that's my recommendation. Careful on these ladders for insects, bees, hornets, snakes up in those vines. Could have easily happened just as well. Always be fully fed. Make sure that you listen to your body. And a lot of times I'll take my hat off because I find that sometimes in the heat, this hat restricts the blood flow and makes you kind of lightheaded. So that's another thing I did when I was doing the vines in the front. Took this hat off, let some air flow. And yeah, don't be a victim of your own stupidity and not paying attention. And this is my next project, which I'm at right now. So the next video is gonna be all about me trimming that property. As always, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace. Elite Landscape style.